Shalom, shalom. I greet you in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. It's back again, bigger and better, the Royal Women Beauty Conference on 26th to 29th May 2022. Ladies, you're all invited to this power-packed conference. Your life will not remain the same. The theme of the conference, don't force me to leave you. My case is different. Ruth chapter 1, verse 16. We have the lineup of speakers, Bishop Dr. D.L. Kiganda'S Salongo, Elder Nalongo Madina, Pastor Rose Kaziwe, Pastor Helen Daula, Pastor June Lutwama, and of course, Pastor Granny Slinza, all the way from South Africa, Prophetess Caroline Hadassah, UK, Pastor Mercy Cedar, Kenya. All these ladies are coming to bless our lives. And of course, me, your host, Pastor Cindy Chiganda Nalong. Come one, come all. Life-changing conference on 26 May to 29th May. Time 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. All roads leads to Christianity Focus Center. Mengo Chiseng LC1 Kiganda Zone.
Nkulayirira omukyala anajja mu Women Beauty Conference ey'omulundi guno taasigale kyekimu.